You make it. Ducky! Ducky! Go, Ducky, go!
Oh, that's real good.
Our first food stop. Got photos done a couple weeks ago, and this is how mine turned out. So pretty. They did so well. Shout out to the people who helped us do our photos.
Oh, that's real good.
The first one. Really yummy. Now I've gotten to the point that I just hold in the stinkiness. And I try to see it not as stinky, but as really sour. And then it's better. It tastes yummy. Food number 2. Oyster omelet. Our last one, 生煎包. Flip it over. Okay, last one. Oh, flip the side. Add vinegar. Not real last time. But yeah, like I said, I don't remember you ever saying my brain was still developing. Why do you laugh? Last bite. Debating which one to get. Oh, trying my drink. Yummy, yummy. Lots of games here. So many toys in here. Actually, so many. Crazy. I want to get the cinema roll thing, but I don't know which one I want. I want all of them because they're all so cute. But yes, I'm gonna try. See which one I get.